Tengo un regalo hoy, Eva. Vamos a hacer un juego con los tres. A ver quién gana. Recibe esta placa. ¿Conocen esto?
Sí.
¿Quién quiere?
Yo.
Vamos a hacer un juego.
¿Quién te la da?
Didn't he just make a YouTube yesterday? So I ain't even mad at him, bro. He made a YouTube yesterday and at 29 million. Tomorrow he gonna be at 30 million. Watch and see what I tell you. But I've been on this YouTube thing for 5 years. 6 years. And I'm on the road to 1K. But that's fine. I'm gonna grind for it. Miss Ronaldo, boy, you got some reach. You know my dog had to pull up. But Ronaldo, he got some reach. Make a YouTube 29 million. Tomorrow, 30 million. Soon he gonna be at 50. Mr. Beast, he coming for your spot.